Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking to download games on PC and join the massive gaming community, then you will need a Steam account. Today in this video, we are going to be showing you how to create a Steam account step by step. So first of all, go ahead and log into Steam website or simply open up the Steam application on your computer if you've already installed it. If you haven't installed Steam yet and you don't know how, then make sure to check out our other video on the channel where we have created a download or installation video for Steam on your computer. Once you open up Steam application, you will be able to see the sign-in interface. To create a new account, since we are starting up with Steam, click on the Create a Free Account button at the bottom right corner. Now, go ahead and fill in the Create Your Account form on the next page. Start off by entering an email address in the email address text box. After typing down a valid email address you have access to, re-enter the email address once again in the next field. Once you are done, select your country of residence from the drop-down at the bottom. Click on I'm a human, and then ensure that you are 13 years of age or older by checking on this last box, and finally click on Continue. Now, check your email inbox for an email from Steam to complete the sign-up. Make sure to open up the same email that you just entered, and in the inbox, click open the email from Steam. Now click on Verify my email address. You can then get back to the app and then go ahead and enter a Steam account name you want for your account. Write down a username for yourself. If the username is not available, then you can pick from the suggestions beneath. Now, choose a strong password for your Steam account. Type in the strong password in the tab and then re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click on Done. Your account has now been created successfully. Click on Continue and go ahead and sign into your new account. Type down your account name in the first field and then enter your password that you just created and click on Sign In. Now, you will need to verify your email. Go open up your email inbox. You will receive a code from Steam support. Click it open and then copy the code inside it and get back to the app and paste in the code. Soon after you do that, you will be logged in to your newly created Steam account. And that's it. You have successfully created your Steam account on PC. Now you can start downloading games, adding friends, and exploring the Steam store. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out another video from us. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.